dynamic and powerful performance in a place like a stadium, we needed an electronic instrument. So, along with our friends from Moscow and Shemarai studio, I created this instrument. And there's one important element that was added by my colleague from Aldaspan band, Maksat Hasanov, a solo electric dombra player. He said that it would be a good idea to add a neck, similar to the one in the Hawaiian guitar, for the last 6 strings, to make it possible to play a solo. Here is what is special about this instrument. It has 23 strings, and thanks to that, the instrument gives a great range of sounds and has an awesome gamut. A guitar only has 6 strings, and zhetigen has 23. It can be played horizontally and at an angle. The instrument is quite handy. It doesn't have any frets like those in a guitar, so all the chords are already fitted. The rather large body gives a long-lasting sound that resonates long and well without fading away. So, the professionalism of a zhetigen player is not about attacking the strings, but rather about timely toning them down. We used 2 technologies in this instrument. Here it has piezoelectronic cells. You can hear them. And we also used an electroacoustic pickup. Both can be balanced during the play. There is also an overdrive. Can you hear it? That's the overdrive. Just like in rock music. This is a common battery that I'm holding, but there are special sliders that can be used to make the instrument sound like a Hawaiian guitar. Here we have the father of the electro zhetigen, the acoustic zhetigen. It also has 23 strings. There were smaller ones, but the 23-stringed one is the latest modification, an orchestra-type instrument. It gives a great range of sounds and can be used in collective performances. But the instrument has rather limited capacities. You can amplify the sound only by using microphones, and the strings are not fully metal. The winding on the strings is soft. They use thread winding, I think. This is for the first time in the world of music that this instrument has been created. Kazakhstan leads the way. And we're going to be presenting this project at the Spirit of Tengri festival. The one-of-a-kind band will feature a unique selection of electronic Kazakh instruments: bass electro-dombra, rhythm solo electro-dombra, and zhetigen. There is nowhere in the world where one can see that, and we are honored to present it at the Spirit of Tengri. For more news, please visit www.en.tengrinews.kz.